Lecture 12, Component Setup, Summary. In the previous lecture we'd created the card footer. I'd also given a homework to you, to fix the card footer text on the invoice screen at the bottom right of our card. If you figured that out by yourself it's really good. Otherwise take a look. Open InvoiceCard.dart and remove the card footer text from here and add it to the child of stack. Great, it looks good now. So till here we'd completed the component setup for our SendSats project. Let's take a look at what we'd done. Starting from Lecture 3. We first created a custom app bar for both the screen, which is InvoiceScreen, and payment. We'd also learn the concept of barrel file, which is used to group common Dart files together. This allows us to group classes that are commonly used together, so we only have to import a single file. After that we created single responsive layout widget for both InvoiceScreen and PaymentScreen. We also learned the concept of constrained box here. Then we made initial container for InvoiceCard and PaymentCard. After that we made a dark overlay for both of the cards to make the white text stand out from the image. After that we created CustomButton and CustomTextField to use in our InvoiceCard and PaymentCard. After that we'd use the CustomButton and CustomTextField in our InvoiceCard. Then we created card header for PaymentCard. After that we created custom QR code for the PaymentCard. The purpose of the custom QR code is to allow the user to pay the invoice by simply scanning the QR code if the user does not have WebLN functionality in their browser and has an external Lightning wallet. And finally we created card footer for both of the cards. That's everything for the components. In the upcoming lectures we will make the model and WebLN services that we interact with the WebLN providers. Thank you.